Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstances. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Leos. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Knight of Wands, Three of Wands, and Seven of Swords in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling really, what to say, feeling really confident, courageous, making a move today. Maybe you are thinking or planning to go somewhere, maybe on a business trip, or there is someone planning a trip somewhere, someone close to you, maybe a family member. Or for some of you, you are taking up a new job, moving to a different city or a different place of residence, changing your residence maybe. Or for some of you, there is someone really close to you and they are leaving today, or they have left you already, and it is simply something shocking, unbelievable, and it may be your energy in this relationship or their energy towards you in this connection. So maybe you love this person, you trusted them, but with their actions, maybe they have left you abruptly, and that is causing a lot of stress, a lot of pain to you. And you feel that you cannot trust anyone because the way you were really close to them, you know them as someone really good, someone you can trust. But today, this person has left you all of a sudden, and it is causing a lot of pain for you. It may not be the person you love, Leos. It may be someone close to you, maybe a friend or a family member who has left you without telling you. And maybe you were trying to, there were people trying to change their mind, help them out. But whatever it was, they are not someone who is flexible. They are someone who is really stubborn about the choices they make. And once you, uh, what to say, only when this person makes this drastic move, leaving you, you understand what is their heart or what are their intentions deep down. So, until and unless you know them, you do not have that clarity today. So, it may be someone close to you. So, or it may even be this person you love. Maybe you trusted them, but they have made some choices, some drastic decisions that is giving you lot of pain and sadness, Leos. So for your relationship, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So looks like this person is not to be trusted, guys. You cannot trust them. Maybe you trusted them, but things have gone in a different direction for you. Maybe, Leos. So they are thinking of moving away, or they have already moved away from you, and maybe whatever their intentions are towards you or towards this relationship, it may not be true love, Leos. So you need to be really focused, attentive, see what is the truth. So that is the energy with these cards, Leos. So for your career, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Ace of Cups in reverse. So you have offers, opportunities coming in your life, coming in your career, but you need to be really, what to say, focused, concentrating on your work, trying to do your best. That way you are going to see success. You need to use your potential fully, Leos. So that is the energy with these cards, Leos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card. For those who chose this card, co-create. So in your circumstances today, you are creating your own reality, maybe with that thoughts, with your intentions, beliefs, and actions. You are creating your own reality each and every moment. And maybe you do not consider yourself as the creator, but you are the creator of your reality, of your life. So it is very important you do things, or you be really positive today, having that positive intentions. And you need to understand that you are a part of the divine spirit, or that higher power, or God, whatever you call it. So you have that spark in you, and that spark is inspiring you today towards your actions or beliefs, your intentions. So, through that divine inspiration, you are creating your life. And when you understand this reality, when you know for yourself, in deep down in your heart of hearts, you will only see grace and beauty in your circumstances. So, the same way in this relationship, when you are open to this person, open to this connection, when you are really honest about what you are, and when you express that to that other person, you feel really happy because you see that openness and that truth reciprocating back to you. And your love becomes a unique work of art, and you are an embodiment of beauty. And you feel really inspired and confident in this relationship. So that is the energy with this card. Maybe with this person you feel really inspired, you feel really loved, cared for, and maybe this person, with this person you have mutual love, respect, and caring. And you are always inspired, you have that inspiration flowing through you. But sometimes we put a stop to it. Maybe our ego just barges in, or our mind just barges in telling us something. But when we tune into that intuition, inspiration, we will feel always beautiful, graceful, and happy. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, I surge on the uprising wave of love. So, with this card, in your circumstances today, maybe you are seeing some changes, just like the movement of sun or the planets, the way it affects us, the way it affects us deeply, body, mind, and soul. You need to understand that you are going through a karmic cycle, something that is out of control, something you cannot change or you're powerless to change, and your circumstances are pushing you towards surrender to that divine energy or that divine destiny unfolding in your life today. And though it may look like something difficult to handle, though you feel like you are comfortable in your own way and you don't want these changes happening, and you are scared or you're afraid of these changes or the way your circumstances are going out of control, these changes are happening for something better. It is opening you up for that divine destiny that is waiting to unfold in your life today. And you are seeing life changing circumstances today. But instead of holding on or resisting these changes, you can just go with the flow, go with the tide wherever it takes you, because it is going to lead you towards something good, something better, something which you never imagined. So, divine destiny is unfolding. That is the energy with this card. Whether you like it or not, it is right there coming towards you. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.